This is me. My name is Ripah. I have a crazy story. I grew up in a small town on the north coast of Jamaica. Life there was beautiful, and so was the scenery. That's where I met my girlfriend. We fell in love, and she became my wife. But we both agreed that we needed something else. So we took off. The world had much more to offer, and we wanted some. We took off into the unknown, not knowing what was about to face us. We landed in Canada. My God, was it cold. I thought we were prepared. Welcome to the journey.
The journey is so long, it's like 16 years, though it feels so impossible, won't misbehave, cause
I grew up loving music so much. My friends and I would play around with freestyling on the street. Making music became my dream job. I ended up recording a few songs. Then the radio took one, and it was nice. But when I moved here, everything changed. I mean everything. No family, no friends. Everything was completely different. This new life took its toll on both me and my dream.
Oh God, please help me.
Between having a 9-to-5 job and trying to keep the bills paid, there was no time for music. I didn't know what to do, but I found comfort in my own words, my lyrics, my rhymes.
Yeah, me see it through father regular, but me still have roll on. I fi travel on even when the road long. Keep it going, yeah, me still a hold on. Suffering so long, it make me so strong. Yo, worry you can do this. You can do this. Trust me, you can do this.
Giving up was not even an option. I was gonna come up with a plan. I had to find something. The thing is, there's no way I could afford studio time, so I had to figure something out. That means I'd have to learn to produce my own music. I'm an artist. I need to create again. All I really want to do is make good music for people who want good music, and in turn, feed my family. That's it. And enjoy it. This is my best friend, my wife, my advisor.
I understand. But guess what? You can do it. You have been doing it. You got this.
So I started studying. I studied hard, days and nights. Mainly nights, because I had a 9-to-5. But I had to start making music again. Some way, somehow. I had to do it. Since then, I've produced my own songs. I write my own lyrics, and I've made most of the beats myself. Now I'm mixing my own music. I'm doing it my way. Yeah, I'm making music again. I'm back.
Still I deal with this stress by earth, cause the devil they are in concert, but me not jerk. I don't know what it would be.
My mind's been racing all night. I have an idea, and this might change a lot for me. But how can I do it? How can I execute? Will the world love it? Will they accept it? I guess there's only one way to find out. I made notes throughout the night. I couldn't afford to lose this idea, and I had to put it into action. Some way, somehow.
This I got a ring, long past suffering, the politician buffering. Yeah, the devil they are in control, I pay them like toll, but me not fool.
Where will I start? And how will I make it work? Got to get to Lance.
Yo, I want to talk to you about something. This serious. When I say serious, I mean, I have an idea. This is gonna change the world. This will change the world. This will change everything. All right? All right, when you're free, we can talk. Cool? All right, brother, later.
Where do I go from here? Find out on the next episode of The Journey.
So the system set, adjust the system now. Yo, the system set, so